When you want to start planting cabbages or when you want to start cabbage farming, you need to have this checklist. Either you are an old farmer, you've been doing cabbages, either you are a new farmer, you want to start cabbages. This is a checklist to make sure that you are ready for planting or for the season, because planning is the first win when it comes to cabbage farming. Planning. So this is the plan. Having the seedling is not a guarantee that you're going to succeed. Like you see my seedling, very healthy seedlings, doesn't guarantee that you're going to succeed. These are the things that you need to check. Know where to get the seedlings. Before I started here, I knew where to get the seed. You can also make your own seedling nursery. In my previous classes, my previous videos, I've shared a very good class on how to prepare cabbage nursery, how you can do a cabbage nursery and it's as successful as this one. The variety is subject to the market. Remember, even before going to the seedling, you need to talk to the market. The market should guide you on which variety you should do, because different varieties have different characteristics. Some varieties have big head, some varieties have medium head, some others have small head, some are red in color, some are very white, some are green, some have long shelf life, some take shorter period to maturity. So different variety exhibit different characteristics. So the market is the one that guides you. From there, when you go to the market to give you the variety, you get the seed. So that is one big checklist to do. From there, get the land. Know where you're going to plant your cabbage. So not when you have the seedlings, you've already gotten the market, you've already even gotten the contract to where to take the cabbages, that when you start running up and down to the land. You have the land. And not just the land. When you get the land, you should always check your irrigation. If you're not arranged, know where to get water. If you choose the drip irrigation, well and good, it's the best. If you choose sprinkler irrigation, and like me, it's also the best. But for the sprinkler irrigation, you uses more water as compared to drip irrigation. If you go for furrow irrigation, those who are doing furrow irrigation, it's the best. So always know where to get irrigation water if you're not a rain-fed farmer. So in that checklist. From there, have manure. Those who can have manure. Then fertilizer. Planting fertilizer is also a necessity. Because before we start planting, we apply the manure. All after planting, we apply the fertilizer. Even when before planting, you can apply the fertilizer and also after planting. So have manure, have fertilizer. In your checklist, make sure you take that. Then you need to know the do's and don'ts, the skills. Before you get to the farm, get the skills. Have the skills. It's the key to success. It carries all the ingredients. You can have the best variety, the best irrigation system, the best land. But no skills. Even if you use the best fertilizer, you are not going to win. I'm here to give you the best of the best skills as far as cabbage farming, in cabbage farming. For more information, go to my YouTube channel at Farm with Fred. Subscribe, that we are the big classes so that we can continue learning more.